Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 upgraded smart camera glasses from EarlySincere. These aren't just ordinary glasses, they combine cutting-edge technology with everyday usability to create a truly immersive first-person experience. At the heart of these glasses is an 8-megapixel Sony IMX219 camera, paired with electronic image stabilization. This allows you to capture smooth, high-quality 1080p video and crisp 2K photos. Each recording session can last up to 12 minutes, giving you plenty of time to capture your adventures or important moments hands-free. But these glasses aren't just about visuals, they're designed to function as a complete AI companion. They include an AI voice assistant with an integrated ChatGPT model, so you can control music, make calls, manage recordings, and even perform intelligent photo analysis, all without touching your phone. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 4 support, allowing low-power, high-speed connections for music playback or calls. The audio experience is immersive as well, featuring hi-fi sound with clear low-frequency and vocal quality, and advanced noise reduction to ensure clean recordings. You can even capture AI-powered audio, making these glasses perfect for both personal and professional use. Battery life is another standout feature. With a high-capacity 410 mAh battery and efficient power management, these glasses offer an ultra-long 10-day standby and more than 15 hours of continuous music playback or calling. Charging is fast and efficient, taking just 90 minutes to fully charge, and you can continue using all recording functions while charging. The design is both ergonomic and durable. Flexible temples adjust up to 30 degrees, offering a comfortable, head-wrapping fit without pinching. The frame is made from tough TR90 material with stainless steel hinges that have been tested over 10,000 times for durability. Heat management is also built in, with aluminum alloy channels in the temples to dissipate heat evenly and maintain stable performance even during extended use. For those who need customized lenses, these glasses allow replacement lenses, although they are not medical grade or vision correcting. Blue light filtering is included to protect your eyes during prolonged use, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Inside the box, you'll find the WES 61 camera smart glasses, a Type-C charging cable, an application manual, a glasses cloth, and a packaging box. Weighing just 64 grams and with dimensions of 6.89 by 3.19 by 2.56 inches, these glasses are lightweight and convenient to wear anywhere. Overall, the 2026 upgraded smart camera glasses merge style, technology, and functionality into one innovative wearable. Whether you're recording life's moments, communicating across languages with real-time AI translation, or enjoying hands-free AI assistance, these glasses are designed to keep you connected and productive while maintaining a sleek, modern look. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're curious about smart glasses that do more than just see, these could be the perfect gadget for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product breakdowns.